I'm excavating. It's going down. Y'all know how I love real estate, and I usually like to build and go up. We're going underground now. One time for all my doomsday preppers. Elon Musk, I see you.
And this 24,000-year cycle is the one that we've entered from the 1st of January 2024. We've officially entered that cycle. Now, in previous cycles, our ocean was able to cool down our planet, pretty much. It was able to cool down the magma. However, this time around, this 24,000-year cycle is completely different. For the simple reason that we have now polluted the planet's ocean. We have polluted the one thing that gets us through this cycle. This is a huge L on our part, and it will be our ultimate downfall.
My name is Egon Cholakian. I am a particle physicist, international tax and IP law professional, federal lobbyist, and intelligence community educator who has devoted decades of research to studying the impact of climate change on national security. I want to emphasize that this catastrophe is not merely a possibility, but an inevitability if we remain inactive. Moreover, this will occur not in some distant future or the next millennium, but merely in a matter of years, shortly ahead of us. Let me put it this way. If a child were born today, they wouldn't even have the chance to attend school before the world ceases to exist, along with each one of us. Such a scenario is highly likely if we allow indifference and inaction to prevail. Look at how the colors are distributed on this map and pay attention to the bright black-red spot located precisely in the Siberian region. It contrasts sharply with the rest of the world, doesn't it? And this dark spot is a matter of great concern. Why, you ask? What does this map reveal? It identifies temperature anomalies stemming from the core of our planet that are deviations from the average temperature. You can clearly see the territory of Siberia has already experienced an extreme deviation from the normal temperature, and this deviation is more than 5 to 7 degrees Celsius. In reality, this is a massive value, considering that in other regions of our planet, temperature deviations are routinely measured in within 1 to 2 degree variances. But in Siberia, there is a very alarming 5 to 7 degree variance. This cyclical process occurs once every 12,000 years, with a more destructive phase occurring every 24,000 years. This cyclical impact has been the cause of many global catastrophes on Earth in the past. Today, the cyclical external influence is bringing about our end and the end of our entire planet. The situation is exacerbated by the fact that ocean waters are polluted with microplastics, disrupting the thermal conductivity and its ability to dissipate excess heat from the Earth's depths into the atmosphere. We have disrupted and nearly abolished Earth's cooling mechanism that has been functioning effectively for billions of years. In turn, today, we are endangering not only our own lives, but also the life of the entire planet. Now I will provide a detailed explanation of this matter in its logical cause and effect format. Research conducted by competent Russian scientists have revealed that in the late 1990s, an unprecedented event occurred within the Earth's interior. The Earth's core experienced a jump, a sudden shift in northern direction from western Antarctica to western Siberia, specifically to the Taimyr Peninsula. This displacement led to the deformation of all mantle layers and the asymmetric heat distribution from the Earth's depths. As a result of the core's pressure towards Taimyr, deep magnetic headspots formed beneath Siberia, actively lifting magma closer to the junctions of the lithospheric plates. Consequently, heat accumulated beneath Siberia's upper mantle layers, and the thin lithospheric crust started the process of melting from the magma. In essence, the rates of lithospheric melting are accelerating due to the increasing temperature and fluidity of the magma itself. The cause of this phenomena is the ocean's loss of its heat-conducting function. Due to ocean pollution with microplastics, which accumulate in its waters due to human activity, the ocean cannot effectively cool the lithospheric plates and consequently the magma beneath them. In other words, the ocean is losing its ability to dissipate excess heat from the depths into the atmosphere. This leads to the heating of magma and its more active ascent towards the surface, a phenomenon observed not just in Siberia, but in various points around the planet. To fully comprehend the scale of this threat, please consider the graph provided by the National Oceanographic Atmospheric Administration of the United States, which illustrates the alarming dynamics of the heat accumulation in the ocean. I want you to please pay particular attention to the following graph by Berkeley Earth, which illustrates June's average temperatures in the North Atlantic Ocean. Notice how much higher the temperature for 2023 is compared to the previous years. This indicates not just a simple increase, but a clear exponential progression of temperature rise. A rational person should simply extend the exponential trend line of both charts to realize the massive and severe changes that await us in the very near future. We are seeing the result of the ocean's death right now and right before our eyes. The previously mentioned map showing temperature anomalies on the planet with the bloody maroon spot in the Siberian region starkly captures its death, the death of the ocean. Please look at the map one more time to better comprehend and realize that this black spot is, in reality, the vortex of our demise. So what now awaits us? The uncomplicated, simple, vividly clear answer is, simply place a cube of ice on a heated stove. What happens? The ice melts quickly. In the same manner, the heated magma erodes the plate, which melts just like our ice cube. It's that simple. This is what is happening right now beneath Siberia. Continuation of this unchecked process will lead to just one highly predictable outcome: a global catastrophe capable of destroying not only Russia, but also the entire world.
We've got to work with the people that operate in the shadows. We've got to work with them to keep our planet alive. It may sound crazy me saying that, but it's true. It's true. How else are we going to survive this? We're not going to survive it divided and fighting each other and blaming each other. We're not going to survive doing that. That's ridiculous. We've got to do something. We've got to work together, and we've got to do it fast.